I'm happy I came here and heard Mr. Nair. It was an excellent program, an excellent event. I myself got a lot of answers for the doubts that I had, and I think he spoke from his heart, and I think every word that he spoke, he believes in what he's speaking, and he was speaking from his heart. I loved whatever he said, and it made a lot of sense to me. Every bit of it made a lot of sense to me. I wish him all the best for his future workshops and programs. And I would recommend anybody who's not sure about his career choices, who's not sure about his inner calling, what he's meant for, what he is supposed to do in life, he must listen to Mr. Nair.
अनिल नायर ने हमारे यहाँ वर्कशॉप कंडक्ट किया. इट वाज रियली वेरी मोटिवेटिंग बिकॉज वी वांटेड समथिंग फॉर द टीचर्स. So for self-empowerment and self-improvement, usually what we observe that teachers are always stressed, they're always irritated, they're always occupied, they're overburdened. So they do not get time to think about themselves. So we thought of calling him and having a workshop with our teachers, and teachers really enjoyed it. All of them were listening very carefully and they're very engrossed. We look forward for more interactions with Mr. Anil Nair.
So it was wonderful experience by attending this particular session on Chase Your Dream. I have been benefited immensely, and I would like to invite Ranil to my organization in a time to come. और काफ़ी अच्छा लगा यहाँ आकर, एंड जिस तरह की बातें आज बताई गई हैं, ये आई थिंक जो अपकमिंग यूथ है और जितने भी लोग हैं यहाँ, वो अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ में कहीं ना कहीं फील करते होंगे. और जहाँ तक ड्रीम्स का सवाल है, उनको चेज़ करने की बात है, तो जो फियर ऑफ फेलियर था, जिसके बारे में आज बताया गया, उसके मुझे लगता है कि हाउ टू ओवरकम योर फियर, ये एक बहुत अच्छी बात रानिल ने आज बताई है. एंड आई होप कि मैं रानिल के आगे आने वाले सेशंस भी अटेंड करूं. थैंक यू.
That was a wonderful program which sir said, and we actually don't know what we are, and as we have already been into a generation gap, and what our parents told us, we just humbly heard it and we followed it without even knowing whether it was our passion or it was our love or something which we enjoyed. And of course the fear factor was always there, which today, as the questions were put up, that what do you want, what are you, what is life for you. So these are so many wonderful things, and I was really neat. I jolted myself. So many questions came up कि क्या सच में am I doing what I want? But as I know, I was in the corporate sector, and I myself is an MBA holder from Symbiosis. So here I left all my corporate work, and this is where I belong because I need variation. This is what I enjoy and I love to. Because जब तक love नहीं होगा with your passion, with your work, you can never give your 100%. If you're not happy from inside, you're not. So I would really thank sir.
Ranil's session was excellent. It exceeded my expectations, and the best takeaway today is that we need to live for ourselves along with whatever roles we are playing in life. So beautiful session by Ranil. All the best. Looking forward to many more.